Hello, I am Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of MIT App Inventor, we are going to see how to read an HTML file in MIT App Inventor. So we are going to show the HTML file in our app. So for this, we are going to use the web viewer component in MIT App Inventor to create this app. Now, if you are new to my channel, I create tutorials on MIT App Inventor so that you can create fantastic mobile apps like we are going to do in this tutorial. So start now by clicking the red subscribe button so that you can create fantastic Android mobile apps. First, you need to make sure you have an HTML file, whether it can be your website. Now, I'm going to just create a sample HTML website which is going to be very simple to show you how this app works. Now you can see that I have finished creating the HTML page. I put heading 1, heading 2 and many other things. So if you want to learn HTML, basics of HTML to create websites, I have done some tutorials on that in my channel. The playlist link is in the description below, and I'll be doing more tutorials after I finish the MIT App Inventor full course in my channel. So you can also check the MIT App Inventor full course. Now let me show you how this website looks in the live preview. So it's connecting to the live preview. I'm using brackets to write the HTML code. Now here you can see heading 1 and this is heading 2 and this is a paragraph tag and this is a link. So let me click on this link and here you can see it goes to the all tutorials in my channel. So these are 77 tutorials in my channel. As of now, there are 77 tutorials in which you can create MIT App Inventor apps. So now we are going to insert this HTML document into MIT App Inventor and we are going to show it. So first we are going to bring in a web viewer. We are going to show the HTML page in this web viewer 1. So first we need to upload the HTML page to the media. So let's click on upload file, choose file, and now let me bring in the file. So it is index.html, this file. Click on open and now it's uploading. Now you can see that the file is uploaded. Now let's go to the block section. So when screen 1 is initializing, which means the app is loading, we are going to show it in the web viewer. So here you can see set web viewer 1.home URL 2. Let's bring in this block. And here we are going to bring in a text block. So here we are going to put a location as the home URL. So this is the location, HTTP and then localhost. And then here you need to put the name of your HTML file. So now you can see that the name of my HTML file is index.html. So here you can put the name of your HTML file and then you can put .html, which is the extension, file extension. Now let's test the app and let's see if it is working. So here you can see that the HTML page is visible. You can see the H1 Learn MIT App Inventor, H2 Mobile App Development, and then this is a paragraph tag. If you want to create fantastic mobile apps in MIT App Inventor, watch the tutorials given below. And you can also see there's a zoom in and zoom out because we are using web viewer to show this HTML page. So if I click on this link, you can see that it goes to all my tutorials, the full course of MIT App Inventor, which has 77 tutorials. Now, do you want to create an app which will find the temperature? Watch this tutorial and also watch my full course of MIT App Inventor here.